For teachers and students, my course has 10 classes from June. It runs from June 10th to July 3rd. Usually I add each date by hand. For every lesson, I still have to fill in the start and end time, repeat the same class time, and check it matches each date. That takes time, so I'll let AI handle it. Most AI tools can already connect to calendars now. If you use Gemini, click Settings at the lower left. Open Connected Apps, and you'll see the tools Gemini can use. Turn on Google Workspace. In Grok, open Settings. Then open the Connectors tab. Here, you can also connect your Google Calendar. ChatGPT can do this too. For this demo, I will use Gemini. Gemini is especially fast for this task. First, I try the lazy way. I give Gemini the course page and ask it to create all the course dates and lesson topics in my Google Calendar. If your class also needs a room number, teacher name, notes, or other standard details, you can type those requirements in the same prompt. If your normal class information also needs to go in, just tell it to add that to Google Calendar as well. It takes about 10 seconds. Now I check the details. Lesson 1 is correct. The time, location, and course name are all correct. This is the part you should not skip. AI can save time, but you still need to check the details before relying on it. For a class schedule, one wrong date, room, or title can confuse students, so I quickly verify the key fields first. The last one is the exam. On Friday night, July 3rd. Gemini only shows a preview. Nothing is added yet. I approve it. A second later, all 10 are added. Now I open Google Calendar. Now check Google Calendar itself. Do not just trust the AI reply. Confirm dates, times, titles, rooms, and holidays before students see it. Blue events are Gemini's. July 1st is a holiday. So Gemini moved that lesson to Tuesday automatically. That is useful, but it is also exactly why you still need to inspect the final calendar. Still, always check AI's work once. Besides adding events to the calendar, can it also edit or remove them? I asked Gemini to delete the events. Gemini is now removing the events it created. I wait until that finishes, then I check Google Calendar again to make sure the calendar is actually clean. Next, I open Google Calendar again to verify the result. All the events added earlier have been removed. If you joined our courses before, this may feel very simple, but many people still don't know AI can handle small daily tasks. You just connect Google Calendar, then type what you want it to do. I want to encourage friends who think AI is difficult. You do not need an IT background to use AI well. Once you understand the basic logic, many daily tasks can use AI. We have also partnered with another organization to launch a new course. It is a 30-hour CEF course at QF Level 4. After completing it, you may get an 80% tuition reimbursement. The actual reimbursement depends on your own CEF eligibility status. If you have never used CEF before, this may apply to you. You may claim up to 80%. No IT background is needed. Exercises build up gradually. As far as I know, this is Hong Kong's first AI course where half is online. 15 hours in person, 15 hours online. Enrollment is open. AI users can join our June 13th workshop too. We cover advanced AI agents. If you want to join, I suggest you already use AI tools such as Copilot, Gemini, and others. For more course details, click the links below the video. See you next time.